Assalamualaikum. Jangan dipikir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are
Indomie Vibes Group
from XII Science and here now we will show how to make the instant noodle with toppings, which is a bit different than usual. Let's get started.
Let's go!
Hello guys, I'm Rahayu and I'm with my partner
Naila.
and before we cook the noodles, we have to show you the ingredients and the materials we need.
First, what we need, Naila? The cooking equipment that we need are first one, saucepan. The second one, cooking filler. The third one, fork.
And then we have spoon for eating, scissor for cutting the seasoning, and plate for the noodles. For the ingredients, we have 2 glasses of water. We need it to cook the noodles. And then
Don't forget these gloves.
and the important that we have to need is Indomie
The most
noodles.
important. And the steps for the cooking are gonna be shown with Silmi, Salma, and Rivaldi. Let's go.
First of all, pour 2 glasses of water to the saucepan. Then turn on the stove on medium heat and wait it for it to boil. And then open the package of instant Indomie fried noodles. While we waiting for the water to boil, open our seasoning using scissor. Which are chili sauce, sweet soy sauce, fried onion, and oil. Put all of them on the plate.
After that, move the egg, sausage, meatballs to the water. After the water is boiled, put the instant noodles, sausage and meatballs, and egg. To this saucepan. Leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put on gloves and then dry the noodles and all the toppings from water. Then put the noodle on the plate.
After that, mix the noodle with the seasoning using fork. Next, put all the toppings on the top noodles. Now, your yummy noodles are all set.
So delicious!
Looks so good, right?
That's all from us how to make instant noodle. Hopefully, it's easy to understand. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.